Hi everyone, welcome back to NAANEP TV. Today we are going to discuss the command POLYLINE. What are the uses of it and where can we find the command? Also, the different options available. First, we look for the location of where we can find the command. Here at the top menu, at draw, click on the draw, and then at the fifth or sixth line, you can find the command POLYLINE. Okay. Second is this one, this symbol, this icon. Just click on it. You can also find the command on how to use the tips on how to use it. POLYLINE actually is a series of connected lines which becomes one entity altogether. You can also approach the command from here by typing PL. Okay. Next step is that we try to do the POLYLINE PL. We type PL here. As previously advised during my other videos, it is always advisable to use the command prompt because every session, every drawing, you have to execute thousands of commands. So the best way to expedite it, make it work faster, is to use the command prompt. Having your left hand on the keyboard and your right hand on the mouse. Okay, so we start the command PLine now. So we click, point to anywhere you want to start the line with, and then you can start drawing it. You can also draw arc. So while you are executing the command, you have to type letter A. Okay, and then enter. Then as you draw the line, until you type letter L again, then it will continue to be arc. So you type L, enter. So it returns to line option. Okay. Usually when we do the POLYLINE, it is by some requirements in most of the drawings where POLYLINEs are used, you have to close it. So if you want to close, meaning make it an enclosed entity, you want to close it here, you have to press C. Then another use of POLYLINE is to make thickness. Okay, apply thickness on the line. So we type POLYLINE PL, then click anywhere in the monitor, then we type letter W, then press enter. Then it will ask, please specify starting width. Okay, say we assume our starting width is 0.1. Then it will ask you again what is the ending width, specify ending width. So we say 0.1 also. Okay, there. You can see the change. Okay, let's make it thicker so you can clearly see on your monitor. So let's return to 0. So okay, width, enter, W, enter, say 0. So we can start again. Then 0, enter. Okay. So now we're going to make it wider again. So we type letter W, enter. So from then on, we'll ask what is the thickness that we need or the width. So we type we type the value, the thickness of the line that we want. So say 0.5, enter. specify ending with also 0.5. There, you already have thickness of 0.5. Depending on the requirements of the drawing that you are preparing on the width. But as an advice, if it is not needed, if it is not necessary, do not use polyline too much because it creates bigger files. So the implication is that the bigger the file is, the heavier the drawing, and the heavier the drawing, the slower your drawing will be. Okay, so the basic concept or technique in AutoCAD is make your drawings as lighter as possible. Lighter means in bite size. If you create a drawing, if you always use polyline, moment will come when it will take your computer so much energy or RAM to process the drawing. You can also draw different thickness. Okay, PL, we type PL for shortcut for polyline, start point. Then say we want to make an arrow, so we type W, enter. Then we specify the starting point as 0, enter, and then ending width to be 2 units, 2. You see? Then we click here. Then you can also reduce the width. So type W, enter. Now we're going to specify just 1 unit, starting with the 1, enter. Specify ending with 1. Okay. So we now already have an arrow. Okay, let me finish this one first. Then you want to end the command, you press enter. For those hard-headed drawings where you cannot execute the command hatch, it's always advised to make a temporary polyline enclosing the area. So we try again. Specify starting point. You can also draw straight lines here, okay, by toggling F8 ortho off, ortho on. It doesn't have to be freehand. For example, this is the shape of your structure that you want to do hatching. There. The only secret in AutoCAD is to practice, practice, practice. And also, you must also always practice. There is a possibility that there are other options in the lecture that I'm presenting to you. There are other options that you can find in AutoCAD. The only way for you to be a good AutoCAD operator is to experiment, try to be adventurous, try to discover other options that I did not present to you. Okay? Then later you will have your own style of drawing in AutoCAD. So if you find the tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, NAANEP TV, so that you'll be updated for the next tutorial. See you soon. God bless. Stay safe and stay healthy.